Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I am going to be making Liberian chicken and fish gravy. For my ingredients today I have 3 onions, 2 bell peppers, avocado oil, 3 garlic cloves, and some pumpkin in there. I'm also going to be making cornbread, but I'm not going to show you guys when I'm making the cornbread. So if you're new to my channel, I already have a video on how I make my cornbread. So my onions and my peppers, I went ahead and prep a lot of them off camera, and so I want to have this little bit on here just for display. And I'm going to be using tomato paste. Tomato paste is optional, you do not have to use it. The reason I'm going to be adding a little bit of pumpkin to my gravy is because gravy is I'm trying to stretch it for to go like 3-4 more days. So I just add a little bit. Sometimes I'll add a little bit pumpkin, sometimes I add a little bit cabbage. So in here for my ingredients, my meat ingredients, I have the chicken wings, I have crab, fish, and shrimp. So I'm gonna fry the chicken and the fish, but I'm gonna parboil the shrimp and the crab. So I seasoned my meat off camera yesterday because whenever I'm cooking I always like to season my meat and let it sit overnight. So I already have like 2 to 3 other videos showing you guys how I season my meat. So if you're new to the channel, just go through one of my cooking video and you will see how I season my meat. So I'm gonna go ahead now and start to fry the chicken. So I'll catch you in my next clip. Alright guys, I'm about to start frying my chicken and my fish. My oil is hot now, so I'm gonna start. Alright guys, my chicken is in the oil frying. I'm gonna go ahead now and put the crab and the shrimp on the stove and let it parboil for about 6 minutes. And I'm also gonna go ahead and cook the pumpkin and let that cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Alright guys, so the chicken and the fish, they're all fried. So I went ahead and put everything into this bowl. And I also went ahead and prepped the remaining of my onions and my pepper and my pumpkin. So here they are. So in here, this is all the onions in here. I left a little bit of bell pepper on the side just to throw that in there. That's it. And in here, I have the crushed bell pepper, the full garlic, and 2 teaspoons of the tomato paste. And in here is the pumpkin. So I'm gonna be seasoning my gravy with 2 seasoned cube black pepper and adobo all-purpose seasoning. These are the only seasoning I'm going to be using to season my food. So let's go ahead and I'm going to put the pot onto the stove. The same oil I used to fry my chicken is the same oil I'm going to use to fry my gravy. So while the gravy is frying, I'm going to go ahead and prep my cornbread to get started with it. Alright guys, so this is the shrimp and the crab already parboiled. So the water from this I'm going to be using to also put into the gravy. Alright guys, I got the oil in the pot. It's hot. So another way to test to see if your oil is hot, you just grab some onion and you just throw it in there. See how it's frying? That's how you know the oil is hot. So I'm going to go ahead now and fry everything off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and fry everything. I'm gonna cover it now and let it fry between from 5 to 10 minutes, and after that I'm gonna start seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead now and start cleaning up my kitchen. See you in the next clip. Alright guys, the 10 minutes is up. I'm gonna go ahead now and mix it and add all the seasoning in. I think I'm gonna do this part off camera because it's too steamy. Sorry guys, I went and added all the seasoning in it now. So I'm just gonna cover it for another 5 minutes and let the seasoning cook with it. And let me just say, the camera is not doing my food color justice right now because it's so beautiful in person. I'm looking at it on the camera right now and it's just not the same. But anyways, I'm gonna cover this and let it fry with the seasoning for another 5 minutes, and then after that I'm gonna add the meat water And then after that, I'm gonna let it sit and then cook, and then start to prep my cornbread. So yeah, let me zoom in and see if it will give it. No, stay the same. So yeah, catch it from the bottom. Yeah, I can fall out like this. Sorry guys, the 5 minutes is up. I'm gonna go ahead now and add the shrimp and crab broth to the pot, and I'm also gonna be adding another 1 cup of water so it can cook. Add a cup of water. I'm gonna go ahead now and mix this good, and I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for about 10 minutes, and then after that I'm gonna add the crab and the shrimp and the chicken to it. Alright guys, I thought I was recording, whole time I wasn't, but so the water dried a little bit more, and then I added the all the chicken, the fish, the shrimp, the crab, everything to it, and I stir it and I taste it. It tastes really good, so I'm just gonna let it cook for another 10 minutes, and hopefully the water has dried to my satisfaction, and I'll just turn it up. My cornbread is almost ready now, and I'm gonna go ahead now and put my rice on the stove. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I went ahead and paired some of the gravy with some white rice. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourself. Peace.